Hey family, what's up? Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. Alright guys, today I'm gonna show you how I feed my soil. This is why I will always say my garden is 100% organic. The way I deal with my soil is pure because I take the steps of making it that way. Patience, discipline, time. I'm gonna just watch this video, guys. If you're really interested in grow organic food, you at the right place. Just keep going back and watch my channel. There's so much to learn about organic food. Yes, I'm gonna show you how I feed my soil and what I feed my soil with. And I've been doing this for a period of time. So I'm full of experience when come on this. Don't go nowhere. Watch this. This is a trench that I dig out. Alright, so I'm digging out the trench. Okay, so what happened, I already dig over here. So I'm gonna show you now what I do to maintain this soil. Alright guys, you see what I now did. I went and get some rotten tree trunk and I placed them in my garden. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm going to cover it with some dirt. Because when you cover it with dirt, it works a lot faster. Because now you're gonna attract earthworms and all these bugs that you need in your garden, because that's what you're doing. You're bringing nature to your garden. So by doing this already have ants and all type of bugs inside of it already. That's needed in this garden. So watch exactly what I'm doing and see why I said my garden is 100% organic. within a year and a half, exactly a year and a half, this will be able to feed the garden. All the micro and microorganism and all these things gonna break down. So now this is what's gonna feed your plant with nutrients. Then when you add the leaf to this, it make it super. It's hard work, but it's rewarding. I just don't wanna, sorry guys, I just don't wanna take the video for too long, but I just want you guys to see how I maintain my soil. 100% organic. That's what I do. Follow the ancestors. That's how they do it. I'm doing it the same way. Peace and love. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe and hit that notification bell, because a lot of information about organic gardening is coming. Peace